A shocking food safety incident has come to light in Hyderabad, where authorities busted a large illegal samosa manufacturing unit that was allegedly using spoiled ingredients and repeatedly reused cooking oil to maximize profit while putting public health at serious risk. According to reports highlighted by NDTV, food safety officials conducted a surprise inspection after receiving complaints and discovered unhygienic conditions, rotten potatoes, low-quality flour, and oil that had been used multiple times beyond safe limits, which can produce harmful toxins linked to stomach infections, food poisoning, and long-term health problems. The unit was reportedly supplying these samosas to local shops and street vendors, meaning many unsuspecting customers may have consumed unsafe food. Officials immediately seized the contaminated materials, warned the operators, and emphasized the importance of strict hygiene standards in food production. This incident also serves as a strong reminder for consumers to be cautious about where they buy food, to check cleanliness, taste, and freshness, and for food businesses to understand that shortcuts in quality can destroy trust and endanger lives. Authorities also said that regular inspections will continue to prevent such illegal food operations and to ensure that public health is not compromised for cheap profits.